Hola, Senor Jordan here. In this video, we will be talking about changing verbs into the future progressive tense. The future tense is used to talk about things that will happen. And the future progressive is used to talk about things that will be happening or things that people will be doing. Some examples are
Estaré hablando. Estarán comiendo. Estaremos viendo.
to form the future progressive tense, we'll have two parts. First, the verb
Estar.
changed into its different forms in the future. Then, the ing. For AR verbs, this is formed by taking the verb, removing the R, and adding NDO. For ER and IR verbs, this is generally formed by taking the verb, removing the ER or IR, and adding IENDO. There are some that change a little differently, though. Now, let's see how the verb
Comprar.
will change to say different people will be buying.
Estaré comprando. Estarás comprando. Estará comprando. Estaremos comprando. Estaréis comprando. Estarán comprando.
Notice that
Comprando.
is always
Comprando.
to mean buying. What changes is the verb
Estar.
to say who will be doing it. Now, let's see how the verb
Comer.
will change to say different people will be eating.
Estaré comiendo. Estarás comiendo. Estará comiendo. Estaremos comiendo. Estaréis comiendo. Estarán comiendo.
Notice that
Comiendo.
is always
Comiendo.
to mean eating. What changes is the verb
Estar.
to say who will be doing it. Now, let's see how the verb
Irse.
will change to say different people will be leaving or going away.
Me estaré yendo. Te estarás yendo. Se estará yendo. Nos estaremos yendo. Os estaréis yendo. Se estarán yendo.
Notice that
Yendo.
is always.
Yendo.
What changes is the verb
Estar.
to say who will be doing it and also the reflexive pronouns. Of course, we could attach them to the ing instead and it would mean the same thing. To review, the future progressive is formed the following way. Now, let's look at some common verbs in Spanish.
Buscar. Dar. Decir. Dejar. Dormir. Dormirse. Hablar. Hacer. Llegar. Ir. Irse. Poner. Quedarse. Salir. Ver.
And here are some of those verbs and sentences in the future progressive.
¿Estarás hablando con María todo el día? Ella estará dando una conferencia el próximo mes. Durante la película, tal vez nos estaremos durmiendo. Mañana estaré buscando el libro que me recomendaste. ¿Ustedes estarán durmiendo a medianoche? Mañana, Luisa estará quedándose en casa. Ellos estarán llegando a la estación de tren justo a tiempo. En una hora nos estaremos yendo de la oficina. Esta tarde estaré haciendo una tarta para la fiesta. ¿Estarás viendo el partido de fútbol toda la tarde?
I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with others who could benefit. Also, as an extra challenge, try to write a sentence in the comments section in the future progressive tense. Thanks for watching. Gracias!